Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Joseph. Today I'm in the studio with Aisha. And what we're doing today is just trying to recreate an overcast lighting setup but in the studio. Typically you will get this overcast setting when you're outdoors, when the sun isn't really direct on your subject, when it's covered with clouds. And I was just trying to figure out if we can do the same thing in the studio. So what I decided to do is use this big shoot-through 7-foot parabolic umbrella. It's from Westcott. If you want to get it, I'll put the link in the description box and you can check it out. And what I have also done is I've brought it like really close to Aisha so that we're going to get like a very soft light out of it. Already the light is big, but bringing it really close to Aisha is also going to help soften that light. Now, what I've done is, because this light is an umbrella, right? So it spills light everywhere. What I wanted to do is, even though like we're trying to mimic overcast lighting, so there isn't any directional light in your shot and you don't really have any profound shadows or noticeable shadows, I still want that bit of contrast in it. So what I did was I put this reflector on the side and I'm using the black side so that when the light bounces, it's going to absorb that light and we'll have a lot of light coming back onto Aisha to light up that part of her face. So what's going to happen is, because this is where the light is coming from, we're going to have a lot of light over here, and then that spill that would have come all the way here and come back to open up the shadows is not going to be present anymore. So we are rather going to have some form of shadows in there, even though it's not going to be as deep and dark as if it was like a harsh direct light. Now, what I've also done with my setup is I have this really big fabric in the back, and we just added like this white fabric in there for more character. This is a setup that I normally see being done outdoors, and that's what actually inspired this. I wanted to see if we can create this rather outdoor setup, in the studio, because again, not all of us have access to go outdoors. I know some people are outside, but we're inside and we're just trying to see if we can get things to work. So I'll take a few test shots, show you guys how the lighting ratio and my camera settings are all working together to give me like that perfect exposure. So if you're ready, let's start shooting right now. All right, so this is the composition that I'm going with. You can see we have a little bit of, okay, let me just turn all of these things off. We have a little bit of the parabolic showing, but that's, it's fine. It's just a plain fabric in the back. I can easily clone that out. But this is going to be my frame, typically, and then we can push in some more and get like tighter shots, right? So what I'm gonna start off with is, currently I'm using one light, and that light is set to 1/128 because I'm shooting at 1/160 on the shutter speed f1.4, and the ISO is at 125. So I'll take a first test shot. And you can see we have that glow, that soft light already in the shot, and it's working amazing. So what I'm going to do now is just grab a few more stills, and then we'll see if we can even add like another level of interest to the image by introducing another set of props. All right, perfect. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, that's really nice. Aisha, by the way, is also a professional model, so she doesn't really need a lot of directing. Oh, I love that. I love it when you do that. Perfect. Nice. One more shot. Awesome. Okay, so Aisha, I think move your left leg just towards the support. Like move it back like that. And then just raise your right leg up a little bit, yeah. So move that one back, almost like you're putting them together. Yeah, that's really nice. But when you look away from the light, we're getting a little bit of too much shadow on the other side. So yeah, keep your face towards where the light is. Yeah, that's perfect. Ooh, that's stunning. Just bring your eyes back to the camera, perfect. One more. Now let's just move in closer and see if we can get like tighter shots out of this. Yeah, stunning. Beautiful, I love that. You can see when I got in closer, we have the light looking really, really nice. Beautiful, one more. Personally, I think we have a lot of frames, so I'm just going to introduce the prop I was talking about, and then we will just take a few more shots. She went to the fruit market, and this is what she's selling to us. I hope the weight is okay for you. Maybe you can put it on. Yeah, that's actually good.
My apple.
This is the apple that inspired Steve Jobs.
The red one.
Yeah, if you bite the side, that's all. So you can see what I'm noticing already bringing this prop in is all the colors that the fruits are adding to the shot. Our background is pretty muted. She's wearing white. There's a white fabric in the back. And then just adding the fruits in there is just adding a lot of interest to the shot. So I'll just take a few more and then we'll see. I know when you turn it towards me, it would almost pour, right? But let's find that balance here because I want us to see a bit more of the fruits. Ooh, I love this eyeshadow. Oh my! Let me put it back. I love that. I think these ones will really be nice if I get like a tighter shot. So, yeah. I think let the apple go a little bit more to your right. So extend your hand out a bit more. Yeah, just that one. Yeah. Yeah, oh, that's nice. Perfect. Now just bring your eyes back to me. Shoot these in landscape. Oh, stunning. One more shot. Chin up a little bit. Perfect.